Hello code jobbers. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial on job code. Today we are delving into the world of .NET MAUI pages and our focus is on the versatile flyout page. Stick around as we explore its functionality and demonstrate how to leverage it in your cross-platform app development. The flyout page is a game changer when it comes to creating intuitive and navigable user interfaces in .NET MAUI. In essence, a flyout page consists of a main content area and a side menu known as flyout. This design pattern is widely used in apps to provide users with easy access to navigation and key features. Let's jump into a practical demonstration to showcase the power of flyout pages in action. So here I have opened a blank Visual Studio application. So here we have our main page. We have our image, label, and button control. Now let's see how we can start our flyout page. Now let's start our flyout page demo. So for that, what we'll do is we'll create a new page. Just right click on the solution. For that, you just have to right click on the project and click on add new item. It will take some time to load all the templates. So now from all the available options, we have to select .NET MAUI and we'll select a content page. Let's name it Flyout Page Demo. Once we click on add, it will create a new page for us named as Flyout Page Demo. So here it is. Now if you can see, here we have a content page created for us. So to convert this content page into a flyout page, so we have to make a small change. For that, let's change it to flyout page. And also we'll go back into the xaml.cs file and also change the inheritance from content page to flyout page. Now, if we come back to flyout page demo.xaml file, you'll see we are having some squigglies here because which says the property detail does not support values of type vertical stack layout. This is because this was directly supported under the content page. Now here we have a flyout page. So for that we have few other options given by flyout page. The first one is flyout page dot flyout and another one is flyout page dot details. So this flyout page dot flyout will contain the part which will show in the slider and the flyout page detail will show the part which will show all the details of the flyout page. Now if you see here again we have some squiggly here which says property flyout does not have a value. This is because we have not specified any content inside them. So now to get rid of this error, what we will do is we have to pass a content page inside it. And here one thing you need to make sure we have to give title here as well. Let's name it my page. because if you do not give the title here, you will face some kind of some weird exceptions here. Let me pass my content page here as well. Let me pass my content page here as well. Here we go. Now we have got rid of all the errors. Now let's pass some content inside this content page. Let's create a small label control here. Say this is flyout. This is label from flyout. Let's set the horizontal text alignment to center and vertical text alignment to center as well. Let me copy and paste it over here as well. This is a label from detail. So now our flyout page is ready. Now there is one more change we need to do to make this as a default page. We have to change it here. So let's replace this app shell with new flyout page demo. And that's it. Now we are good to run this page and see the flyout page. Now we are good to run the application and see how our flyout page looks. So let's run it. Yes, so now here you can see now our flyout demo application is up and running. And here the flyout page.detail is visible. If you go to main page.xaml, if we go to our flyout page demo.xaml, we see this label we have defined inside the detail part of the flyout page. So this is what is being shown here. So now to see this part, the flyout part, so we have to open the flyout. So for that, we can drag it out from the left side of the page. So This is the label from Flyout. So anything which you need to define in Flyout that needs to go inside this block, and anything which you want to anything which you want to put in the details that will go into this block. Apart from that, Flyout page also provides us some default properties. Apart from that, there are also some default properties that comes with Flyout page. One of them is the Flyout page behavior. So we can also set Flyout layout behavior here. There are different types of behavior present in the Flyout page. This is the default one which we saw. In the default one, we can drag the page from the left hand side of the application. So one of the properties Flyout layout behavior. We have different kind of behavior attached to Flyout page. The default one is the popover. So as we just saw, we can drag the page from the left hand side. So that is the default behavior of the Flyout page. We can also set it to split. What this will do is it will split our application into two parts, the Flyout part and the detail part. So as this is a mobile application, it is difficult to show the split behavior here, but we can easily see it in the Windows application. So most of the mobile applications use the default behavior only. And this there is split on landscape and split on portrait as well. Those are self-explanatory. So let's keep it to default only for now. To differentiate between the flyout and detail, we can also set some other properties to our content page. Like let's give some background color to it. Let's keep it blue and let's make it red once we save it. So you can see now we have our, as you can see, now we have some aesthetics to our flyout page. So if I drag it from left, so this is blue in color. I know it doesn't look good now, but yes, I just wanted to show that you can have many different options by which you can customize your flyout page. So this is all about the flyout pages. So you can go through some more properties inside the flyout page. So, so here I just wanted to show that you can easily customize the appearance of the flyout, add icons, and define the structure to align with your app's design. So whether you are building a productivity app, e-commerce platform, or anything in between, Flyout page offers a flexible solution for organizing and navigating your app. Friends, so that's a wrap for our Flyout page tutorial. I hope you found this exploration insightful. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more in-depth tutorial. And that's a wrap for our Flyout page tutorial. I hope you found this exploration insightful. If you did, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more in-depth .NET MAUI insights. As always, feel free to drop your comments and questions below. In the next video, we'll be diving deep into the tabbed pages, so stay tuned. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.